Okay, guys, this is already looking kind of good. Welcome to the Fizzy Show! What's wrong, Phoebe? I'm just so bored and don't know what to do. Oh, let me think about what we can do. I have an idea! Well, what is it? Wait for it! Wait for it! Fizzy! Wizzy! Boopizzy! Bop! Oh, I can't wait to see! What is all of this? It's everything we need to make a puppet! Oh, awesome! Miss Hands, let's show everyone how to make a sock puppet. Okay, Fizzy. Hi, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands, and today we are making a sock puppet. You will need one sock, googly eyes, a pencil, scissors, hot glue, and kids, make sure your parents handle the hot glue, pom-poms, some kind of floofy feathers for hair, a piece of cardboard, and some felt. On your sock, look for the seam. That's where all the stitches are that hold it together. And then with your parents helping you, you can use scissors to just cut right along that seam. Okay, now we have the opening for a mouth. To make the mouth, we'll need cardboard cut out to about the size of your hand. I'll put my hand right here and draw an oval about the size of my hand. And then cut out your oval. Take the oval you just cut out and we're going to put it in your hand, and where the ends of your finger are, press in. That's where you want to fold it to make the mouth go like this. So basically, you just fold it in half. And then you have a mouth almost ready to go. We need to tuck it into our sock. Look, it's already starting to look like a puppet. Now we need to carefully use hot glue to glue the sock onto the cardboard. Again, kids, have your parents do this because hot glue is, well, very hot. But before you glue this into your puppet, you want to place it on your felt and trace a line around it. I'm going to cut just outside of this line so that the mouth that you see is bigger than the mouth inside of the sock. So just go ahead and cut out your red mouth. All set. Now, back to the hot glue. I'm going to put glue on the inside of the cardboard, just like this. And then I can take the sock and press it onto the glue. You just want a little bit of it to adhere to the cardboard. And then do that all the way around your cardboard. And you need to work kind of quickly before that glue dries. Well, here we go. We have the mouth in place. And you could even leave it like this if you wanted to. But now we're going to put the felt over this mouth. I'm going to take the side that has pencil marks and put that on the inside so you can't see it. See how we want it to look? Yeah, that's pretty good. You know, I'm going to trim just a little bit here so it doesn't hang over the top of the puppet. Or you could glue it up here and make bigger lips. Bigger lips, smaller lips. So I'll put hot glue in the bottom here, a pretty generous amount, so that the felt sticks in here. And I need a new glue stick. Okay, we're back in business. Keep going with the glue. We want to make sure this sticks on here very well. In we go. Okay, the bottom is in place. And now we need to glue the top. And now we have a mouth. Hello. Oh, hello. This looks pretty cool. I'm guessing we need to work on the eyes now. That's correct, Fizzy. Oh, I can't wait to see this. Oh, I get it. See this because we're working on the eyes. Ha, yes. Okay. Can we give this puppet 3 eyes? Oh, okay, Fizzy. We have 1, 2, 3 pom-poms for eyes. So we need 3 googly eyes. Just put a little bit of hot glue on there. Look at all the fuzz on my hot glue gun. And then just place it on the pom-pom like that. And now it's stuck on there. A little bit more hot glue. And we have another eye. And a little more glue. And another eye is done. Now we glue the eyes up here. We'll start with the one eye in the middle here. I'll add the glue right here.
And pop the eye on. Another eye right here. Just like that. And one more eye coming right up over here. If you have a little extra hot glue, once it's dry, just pull it off like that. And now we have a super cute sock puppet. It kind of reminds me of a snake. You could leave it just like that, but we're going to add a little bit of hair to it. And just like that, we clipped it in and we have this adorable, funny little puppet.
Oh, Miss Hands, I just remembered something.
What is it, Fizzy?
Remember when there was a yellow villain on our show?
Oh, yeah. And that yellow villain had 3 eyes.
Yeah, and his name was 3-Eye.
But I don't think we have to worry about this one, Fizzy. 3-Eye had black hair.
Okay, this one has purple hair, but it does have 3 eyes.
It'll be okay, Fizzy.
That's right. You don't have to worry about me at all. Well, now we know how to make a puppet. Yeah, but we may have accidentally made a villain. Uh-oh! We'll have to see what that puppet's up to next. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed watching and learning how to make a sock puppet. And we hope you have a fizzy fantastic day. And we will see you next time.